everyone, and good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well and having a wonderful day today. I am also doing well, and today I am thrilled due to this weather. This is day 15 of my English speaking practice, and I am here to improve my communication skills and gain fluency. And I want to become fluent in this language. That is why I have taken this challenge. Friend, today's weather is very pleasant. That's why I am thrilled, and I am here to record my video for practicing English and enhance my communication skills. And you can see this beautiful background. I am standing on the stairs. This is my village. Behind it, you can see very well. And I am going to downstairs. It means I am going to on my rooftop where I record my video. I usually record my video here because this environment is good for me. Especially I record my video here due to good vibes because my father has planted many tiny plants here, many beautiful flowers, and some flowers are thriving very well, but I don't have any clue what is the name of these flowers. I can show you. Sorry. uh, you can see there are two flowers. There are two tiny flowers, but I don't know what is the name of these flowers. But they are thriving very well. You can see, wow, this color. This is a little bit of reddish, means red, and you can see this color is pink, and hey guys, do you know do you know the name of this flower? I forget. It slipped my mind what is the name of this type of flowers, but I love these flowers. Whenever I record my video, I usually record my video among these type of flowers or natural beauties. Yes. So I have told you that I am recording my video especially on my rooftop, and today's weather is very pleasant. There is not too much sunshine, so I'm enjoying it while speaking English. I made a mistake lot, and even I make blunder. But while speaking English, I enjoy each and everything. What I speak, what I speak. Sometimes I get stuck. Sometimes I don't know what I have to speak, and there are many errors. There are many mistakes in my video. I know, but I can't stop to practice English. And when I record my video on my desktop, there are many people who are watching me, who watch me, and who sees me. But doesn't matter because I am doing my work. I am improving myself. One day, one day, one day, uh, they will say, you, they will say, "Wow, you are, wow, sorry, wow, you are rock. You are good. You are very fluent in English. How can you achieve these things?" After some time they will ask me, I think, but I don't know it's happen. I don't know it will happen or not with me. I believe it will happen with me because I am I am doing to become fluent in this language. And there are two things to become fluent in this language, I know. First one is consistency, and the second one is practice. Everyone, many of learner, they want to improve their fluency. They say, I don't have any practice partner. How can I improve my English? How can I practice? But let me tell you guys, you don't need any practice partner because you have everything, like you have a mobile, you have many things you can describe, or you can describe all the things in English. You can try to describe. I know when you describe you make a mistake. When I describe anything, I make a lot of mistake, but it is a part of my journey. When I make a mistake, I realize I am improving. mm, I am improving myself. I am improving my communication skills, my English, my English language. Okay, so there are many apps, there are many applications and apps. There are many English learners where they practice. But I don't follow any applications where I can practice. Sometimes ago means past few months, I used to follow these I used to follow these type of applications, but nowadays I doesn't follow because I don't have much time to practice English on that applications. uh, I believe that sorry, I consider I can practice on myself. I can create English environment, and there are many YouTube video. There are many videos on available on YouTube, like movies, English movies, podcast, songs. And recently I started watching English podcast or short English stories. Yesterday I watched one short story. I think the timeline was only 5 minutes, but I enjoyed that story. Wow, interesting. And there are many channels on YouTube you can follow and you can watch and listen carefully. Then you have to try to speak English. Okay, when I watched the complete story, after that I tried to speak. And yes, when I watched the complete story, which was only 5 minutes, uh, by this methods I can improve my pronunciations. I can say I can practice shadowing method. And you may heard that, shadowing practice. Yes, I when I watch any English content, you can improve your communication skills, right? And you can notice how the person how the person how the person expressing yourself, expressing ourself. Okay, so you can copy from there. And also I also copy many English learners because I love. their content, the way of speaking English. I like. So I believe that I can improve my English by practicing. When you speak near about 10 or 20 minutes in front of mirror, in front of the camera, or practice to yourself or talking to yourself, it gives you motivation. you know Today, in the morning, I practice near about 15 minutes in front of the camera. I don't know any idea. I don't remember what I spoke in front of the mirror, but I realized, wow, I can achieve something. I practice. It pushes me to improve my communication skills. Okay, so this is very effective method. You don't need any practice partners to improve your English. You you have and your mobile. That's enough. If you are observing yourself, and if you want to observe yourself where you are making a mistake, where you make mistake, then you can record your video. After recording it, you can watch where you are making mistake, and this way I practice my English. I am not a fluent, but I am trying to improve my all the things. Okay, I have taken this challenge. I don't know when I will become fluent in this language. In this language, when I talk to you, it feels, wow, I am on the right way. I am on the right way. So let me describe this weather. As you can see, this beautiful sky, and behind me, this beautiful field. There are many fields where paddy, uh, paddy crops has been grown. I know in this sentence I made a mistake, because I am speaking without thinking, without translating anything. I when sorry, what I see, I try to speak. Okay, so you can see, I can't show you the sun, but this the wind is blowing. The cold wind is blowing. That's why I am recording my video on my rooftop, where I feel more and more positive, because this beautiful flowers. Oh, thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet in day 16 English practice with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.